tried to reuse the mounting location from the ceiling. There it goes in the car. Still got a little bit of move. So this is a new project. Right here goes. So this is underneath the car. We finally got it off. Look like control arms took a crack. It's just shot. Well, that's it for right now. But yeah, that's the old one off. This is how it looks. Still out here raining, but this is a quicker install of it. Still gotta fix the bottom, but for right now, with the body work, it's dirty though. Tomorrow, so it won't be the greatest, but it should look better than how it looks right now. My frame a little bit, but still touching slightly, so probably gotta hit it a little bit more. So now I'm gonna try to put the mount in, and it's not touching the frame rail. To pull the gears off, this one would not come off for nothing, but it took it in order. So now I'm just gonna start putting it together.
These restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching. Thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic. With this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm not.
Yeah, rev it up a little bit. Should be able to finish the rear brakes to at least have that working, so we could test drive the vehicle. 2, because I had a feeling I would be changing eventually, so it's just not. See, it's just raise it up and then pull some of the camber out. And if it's within the ballpark, you know, just good enough to take it to get.
We are dreaming in the dark. Yeah.
Splines, move them up and then shove them in. That's kind of what the new one feels like. The car. So here's the plan. We're gonna pull the engine out, take everything out, strip the whole engine bay, clean it up. One of my boys gonna paint it for me. just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with those lines, the brake lines over here, because right now would be the optimal time to just get rid of them. And
do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
drive shaft is in for the front half. That's good, so I don't have to really have to see what I could do. This bracket right here, but yeah, she coming together. There we go. Looks fairly even. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try doing it now. Currently, this is what I have set up. I have tightening all the actual connectors correctly, the coolant lines, everything. I'm just gonna start tightening everything up correctly. So I was watching back some videos that was made recently. I think the camera footage is a little better, but the sound quality was always off. So let's see. I bought the DJI mic. Hopefully these make somewhat of an improvement, because I still have to get the throttle body cable bracket, and once I have that, then, but to find that bracket is a problem, I guess, because this is an old style, so it's kind of. I'm just gonna try to put this belt on. It should be a 935, 930. So I'm trying to get that on so I can figure out where to put this line and run it out of the way. You know, just do the little miscellaneous stuff for right now.